Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BabyGrok token. Now the BabyGrok token is about to start their pre-sale in a little bit under half a day, maybe around 10 hours or so by the time I upload this video. So you got a decent amount of time to go check this out before the pre-sale starts. It's got a full audit on this token. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. It's going to be a whitelist only pre-sale. So we're going to see if you can get on. There's a way to get on the whitelist here. Token's name is BabyGrok. And then ticker symbol is BabyGrok, all one word. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I just scrolled through their tweets. They only have 11 tweets. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there so you guys can easily find this project. At BabyGrok_BSC. They don't have any whitelist registration buttons on their Twitter that I could see anywhere. I checked their webpage. I don't see any whitelist button on there. And they don't have the whitelist banner on their pink sale page either. So the best bet to try to get on the whitelist, if you're trying to get on it, is to go to their Telegram at BabyGrok. Real easy to find. Over 2,000 subscribers on the Telegram. So yeah, check that out and ask some questions, see how you can get on the whitelist there, because there's literally no button anywhere to get on the whitelist. Their Twitter has 2,552 followers. They just joined in November 2023. It says, welcome to BabyGrok, the future of decentralized finance. Ride the crypto wave with BabyGrok, the next big thing in the decentralized finance space. So it says, BabyGrok isn't just a coin. Born from the visionary mind of Elon Musk, BabyGrok combines the power of DeFi with the brilliance of AI-driven community. No team tokens, no private sale. Audited, tax of 5 and 5, which is 1% going to LP, 2% going to marketing, 2% development, and it says ownership renounced. And then it has a link to their pink sale pre-sale page where you can go check this token out. So this is a movement. Now they did have a few contests, basically some giveaways, and they're join the Telegram, do a couple easy tasks. So if you follow their socials, you might be able to get some tokens or whatnot there. And yeah, they had a shilling contest to shill this out. All sorts of cool stuff on their Twitter, so go check that out. Now, they have their webpage, babygrok.ai, and that has a link to the pre-sale, their socials. You can find them all there. And then they also have a Facebook here linked on Pink Sale as well. They have their full audit on here, so they were audited by Analytics Audit, and you can view the full PDF of that on Pink Sale. It says, backed by an experienced team who achieved good milestones on their previous projects. Now, there's 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 420 quadrillion tokens. A lot of tokens. Minimum buy for the pre-sale is going to be 0.3 BNB. Max buy is going to be 0.5 BNB. Soft cap is 100 BNB. And hard cap is 150 BNB. So either once they reach 150 BNB, the pre-sale is over, or when time runs out. And it looks like this pre-sale only goes for 59 minutes. It starts exactly November 11th, 12 o'clock UTC time, and goes until November 11th, 12:59 UTC time. So if you end up missing the pre-sale, you're watching this video way later, first of all, hit subscribe so you don't miss any new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the BabyGrok token using the contract address that you can find on babygrok.ai. Now you'll probably have to set your slippage around 5% because of those taxes. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 181 days. So they are revolutionizing DeFi, not just another project, a groundbreaking innovation with the latest AI technology. It's got AI superiority. In a world where AI reigns supreme, BabyGrok stands out, making waves. This is here to redefine the game and journey into the future. And it says, explore our homepage filled with screenshots of Elon Musk's tweets endorsing and recognizing BabyGrok. Now, I don't know, I mean, that kind of sounds made up to me. I mean, he probably endorses BabyGrok, you know what I mean? Like Grok, his project, and probably has mentioned BabyGrok, but I doubt he's made links over to this webpage or pre-sale or their socials. But I mean, what do I know? But I mean, take that with a grain of salt for sure. When Elon talks, the crypto world listens, and he's talking about BabyGrok. So BabyGrok isn't just a coin, it's a movement. They kind of repeat themselves here. It's community driven, so they want to create a decentralized ecosystem that empowers every holder. Your journey with BabyGrok is as important as the destination. So on their webpage, they're saying the ticker symbol is BGK, but according to PinkSale, it is not. And let's check their BSC scan here. I bet you it's not here. So they have a token address on here. So there's an error on their webpage, I bet. Yeah, so the actual ticker symbol, if you look at their BSC scan, is BabyGrok, all one word. But on their webpage, it says BGK, which obviously is not true. Now, they do have Elon Musk's tweets here. These aren't even from Elon Musk. This is a guy named Dan. Okay, so there's Elon. So the tweets are just Elon talking about GROK, his project. So, I mean, yes, I don't see him talking at all about BabyGrok. He says something about based GROK. Maybe these people can't read. But anyways, it says there is going to be token utility in the future. I mean, who knows if there is. There is going to be burning, it says. Partners are Dex Tools, AbeDex, DexView, PinkSale. Roadmap, the journey ahead. Phase 1, launch, community building, website, social medias, pre-sale events. They're going to have Ask Me Anything sessions. Phase 2, partnerships, listings, major exchanges. And then Phase 3, NFT integration, cross-chain compatibility, staking and governance. And Phase 4, new markets, merchandise, and develop some new innovation. So yes, I mean, take every token with a grain of salt. Always do your own research. I mean, there's some audits you could check out here. But yeah, not much utility here. Very much a meme coin. Go check it out. Pre-sale is going to start about 10 hours or so. You do have to get on a whitelist, though, for this one. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. Check out my Facebook down there. Support on Patreon if you like all these videos and updates. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.